Most people think meditation is complicated. They imagine sitting perfectly still, stopping all thoughts, or reaching some special state. The Buddha taught meditation very differently. Meditation is not about becoming someone new, it is about noticing what is already happening. Welcome to Inside of Buddha. The Buddha explained meditation in the simplest way possible, to see the mind clearly. Right now, the mind is always doing something, thinking, planning, remembering, judging. Meditation is the practice of watching this activity without getting pulled into it. Think of sitting beside a river. Thoughts are like water flowing past. You do not jump into the river. You simply watch it flow. This is meditation. The Buddha taught that suffering begins when we jump into our thoughts, when we believe every story the mind tells. Meditation creates distance. The practice usually begins with the breath, not to control it, not to force it, just to notice it. Breathing in, you know you are breathing in. Breathing out, you know you are breathing out. When the mind wanders, and it will, you gently return to the breath. This returning is not failure. It is the practice. Each return strengthens awareness. Each moment of noticing builds clarity. The Buddha taught that the mind is like muddy water. If you keep stirring it, it stays unclear. If you let it be, it naturally settles. Meditation allows the mind to settle. Over time, you begin to notice something important. Thoughts come and go on their own. Emotions rise and fall. Nothing stays forever. This understanding brings peace. Meditation does not remove problems. It removes unnecessary suffering. You still experience emotions, but they no longer control you. Anger arises. You see it. Fear appears. You observe it. And because you are aware, the emotion loses power. The Buddha taught that meditation is not escape. It is meeting reality with calm attention. You do not need long hours. You do not need special conditions. Even a few minutes of sitting, breathing, and observing the mind can change how you experience the entire day. Meditation is not about silence. It is about understanding. And when the mind is understood, peace follows naturally. If this explanation brought clarity, stay with your breath for a few seconds. Like this video to support the message, share it with someone confused about meditation, and subscribe to Inside of Buddha for simple wisdom that calms the mind. Because meditation is not something mysterious, it is simply learning to be aware.